Introducing the 2023 Volvo XC90 Recharge T8 Plus AWD in stunning silver. With 2,000 miles on the clock, this beauty is packed with features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to voice control, this estate-bodied vehicle has it all. The ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking ensure your peace of mind on the road. With roof rails, sunroof, and LED lights, this car is not only safe but stylish too. And with a powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty, you can drive with confidence. Plus, our full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty guarantee that this vehicle is in top condition. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on the 2023 Volvo XC90 Recharge T8 Plus AWD today.